Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get college football revamped on Xbox 360. This incredible modification breathes new life into NCAA Football 14, updating everything from team uniforms to stadium aesthetics. To begin, you'll need a hard-modded Xbox 360, as this is a crucial requirement for the installation. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you have all the information to successfully transform your game and enjoy a modernized college football experience. Before we dive into the installation, let's ensure you have all the necessary components. First and foremost, a hard-modded Xbox 360, such as a JTAG or RGH console, is a non-negotiable requirement. You'll also need your NCAA Football 14 game, either on disk or as extracted files. Grab a USB flash drive, ideally 8 GB or larger, formatted to FAT32, and have access to a computer for downloading the mod files. Now, let's get to the installation. First, extract your NCAA Football 14 game files onto your Xbox 360 hard drive. Then, on your computer, download the College Football Revamped mod files from their official GitHub. Transfer these files to your USB drive and then move them into the game's folder on your console. Carefully replace any existing files and ensure your dashboard, like Aurora or Freestyle Dash, has the correct paths set to recognize the revamped game. Should you encounter any hiccups, don't worry. Many common issues arise from incorrect file placement or missing files. Always refer back to the detailed installation guide and double-check every step. Ensure your dashboard paths are correctly set, and a quick restart of your Xbox 360 can often resolve minor glitches. For ongoing support and to connect with the community, the College Football Revamped Discord server is an excellent resource. Enjoy your revamped college football experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.